Look no further than the 2020 Cadillac CT4. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a refined CT4 that offers handsome styling, lithe handling, a luxuriously appointed interior, advanced safety and connectivity tech, and an undeniable sense of sophistication. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. Feel the playful energy that comes standard with this nimble CT4. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.